Hi, today we've been sent by AKASO a full colour night vision goggles. Captures the full spectrum of the night. So this is quite exciting. When they offered me the full colour night vision goggles, I thought that'd be great to go down the allotment and be able to look at any wildlife, and also quite handy to go and water the garden. So this is the Seemor 200 and it's made by AKASO. So let's have a look inside. So we've got full colour AI, 500 meter clarity, 4K and 2K resolution, and 4 hours use time. So let's have a look inside. So we've got a nice hardback case, which is quite handy for carrying it about, with a handle and attachments for a strap. So let's have a look inside and see what we got. There we go. So that is our Seemor 200 night vision goggles. So it's an ultra low light, full colour night vision, and it's got a colour and infrared mode, and there's a 4K image quality. We've got 2 replaceable batteries. It's model Seemor 200 and it's 3250 mAh, and we've got 2 of them. Also in our case we've got strap, we've got a cloth, we've got a cable which is a USB-C cable. This is only used for charging only and not for transferring data. And then we've got the AKASO full colour night vision goggles Seemor 200 user manual. So gonna have a quick look through. Batteries, battery charger optional, Type-C charger cable, neck strap, carrying case and user manual. There we go. So we're looking at our goggles, and we've got the focus hand wheel, we've got the power button, IR button plus, IR button minus, mode button, menu button and shoot menu. Underneath we've got a little cover, we've got a USB-C port, and we've got a memory card. Memory card is micro SD with a maximum capacity of 512 gigabytes. And then we've got the battery pack. Batteries, 1 battery at a time. In we go. And then we've got our display screen. AKASO Seemor 200. There we go, we've got setup screen. So we're going to set up our Seemor, and then we're going to see if we can see more. So let's set it up. So we mounted the AKASO Seemor 200 onto a tripod, and it's facing the bird feeders. So we've connected the app to our phone, and we can see what the Seemor is looking at and filming. So we just will wait and see if we've got any birds. So we've currently got a real big storm. We've got a yellow weather warning. So I've just come outside and see what we can see. It's actually pitch black out here, and we can see the tree blowing in the wind. We can even see some roses sharpen up. Turning the nozzle, we're focusing on the roses. It's pitch black. So now I've switched to our camera, and we can see the tree in the background, and we look at the furniture, and it's just near impossible. Nice. Lucy. You can see colour. We can see the roses. So now we've changed to the infrared mode, and we've got 7 settings of infrared, this being the first one. So that's infrared 1, infrared 2, infrared 3, infrared 4, infrared 5, infrared 6, and infrared 7. We can zoom this in. There we are. We have a look at the trees. We're on 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back at 0 again. Zoom in on the flower. And this is total darkness. So I'm having a look at the flower garden in the rain, in the dark, and it's interesting what we can see. So there we go. The last shot was me walking around, syncing to the phone, seeing how far I can go. And it can go quite far, sync to the phone, which is a good idea. If you could leave this out on the tripod, you could be inside house watching the night vision outside, and that's a really good idea. Focusing, twisting the end is quite, trying to do it while you're holding it, it's getting twisty pictures, you're wobbling it about, but you get used to that. And the multi-function buttons, when you're holding it up to your face, it's hard to remember which buttons are which, because one button, one press is one feature, and if you keep it pressed, is a different feature. So it's got a bit of a learning curve how to use it. But the video quality for night time is not 4K in colour, but you can see things which are totally darkness, not knowing really what to expect from a night vision camera. The quality in the daytime is very good, very good. Well, you can certainly see in colour at the night time, and that's great if you want to watching birds and trees, watching animals, that'd be great. So there we go, that's the AKASO Seemor 200.